Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 26, Radio Frequency, Bluetooth Made Silver, Mk16. SparkFun Bluetooth Made Silver. The Bluetooth Mate is very similar to our BlueSMiRF modem, but it is designed specifically to be used with our Arduino Pros and LilyPad Arduinos. These modems work as a serial, RX/TX, pipe, and are a great wireless replacement for serial cables. Any serial stream from 2400 to 115200 bps can be passed seamlessly from your computer to your target. Bluetooth Mate has the same pinout as the FTDI Basic, and is meant to plug directly into an Arduino Pro, Pro Mini, or LilyPad Mainboard. Because we've arranged the pins to do this, you cannot directly plug the Bluetooth Mate to an FTDI Basic board. The RN42 is perfect for short-range, battery-powered applications. The RN42 uses only 2.6 UA in sleep mode while still being discoverable and connectable. Multiple user configurable power modes allow the user to dial in the lowest power profile for a given application. The Bluetooth Mate has onboard voltage regulators, so it can be powered from any 3.3 to 6 VDC power supply. We've got level shifting all set up so the RX and TX pins on the remote unit are 3-6 VDC tolerant.
Now the Bluetooth Mate Silver here. This Bluetooth is 5 or 6 years or more. The Bluetooth for Arduino or whatever. This Arduino Uno here, and the Bluetooth here. Simple, and see the good or bad. Now the project Bluetooth Mate Silver here. Arduino, the programming here. Arduino Uno here. The Bluetooth Silver here. The ground and power. And this, the digital 1 and 2 here. And Arduino here. And project here, the Arduino Uno, this, and cables, and that's it. The software programming here, cellular port here, this here for Bluetooth and Bluetooth, and this version for Bluetooth here. Now the setup for Bluetooth here. See here, this, this, and short and back, and that's it. Here, and this, the Bluetooth and several port and back and forth, and simple here. So this, these, and that's it. Now the power here, and the ear, the Bluetooth here, and good. So now see the programming and see the Bluetooth here. So good. Now the here serial port here. This now good. 2, 3, and now here here. So now, but now do this and this. Now setting for here, this, the name for here, name here, this, and perfect for Bluetooth for Arduino. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.